And if a person say it ain't, she's hating, he's hating, your mama's hating, your daddy's hating, and we can fight about it because... Hey there, babes, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I did my hair today. No, I didn't show y'all because I already got a knotless video up, but yeah, I just wanted to do my hair without trying to film because I already got videos for y'all that I need to put out ASAP. But I added these edges on her from a wig that I no longer use. And these edges is cute. I don't care what nobody say. These are cute. Maybe if I would have lined it up a little more and made it all up, but they still cute. It don't matter. They cute. Period. Period. They cute, y'all. They fire. Like, they probably messed up on her, but they cute. They thebomb.com. I made a little TikTok about it. So yeah, made a little TikTok. All I did was cut my little old wig up, and then I cut my little wig up, made it fit basically my hairline and all of that. And then yeah, how you do a regular wig, just do your baby hair, cut it to your liking. I might try to tweeze it some more. I tweezed it a little bit, but I like the dramatic look. It looks good. It looks like I have it looks like I have a wig on. Like, but this is my scalp. Yes, I like my hair. It came out so good, y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all the whole shebang bang. I gotta take some pictures for my hair page, but yeah. So I might take y'all with us because we going to a new restaurant today, but yeah, I don't know where we're going. So excuse me. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna clean up all of that because I got hair everywhere from cutting these edges off and doing my actual hair. So I just need to clean that up. But my hair is cute. And if a person say it ain't, she's hating, he's hating, your mama's hating, your daddy's hating, and we can fight about it because, yeah. But I need to clean my bathroom up ASAP before we leave out. I'm wearing this. I'm probably going to throw some leggings on and call it a night and a day because, yeah, I've been working too hard. Too hard. My sisters didn't see the vision, but I seen the vision, and the reason why I did these false edges is because I want to protect my edges. I want my edges to grow. Wearing all them wigs and stuff, your edges don't get a break. So using Gatsby, y'all already know what Gatsby is. I don't gotta show y'all, but using Gatsby, just spray. Gatsby is basically an adhesive. It's not a glue. It's not gonna rip your edges out. It's just like a gel. You sweat, it come off. So we're good. You can put it on as many times as you want to. Your edges is still gonna be there. That's what I first used when I first got into the wig game. That's what I was using. So yeah, once they start making all these glues and all of that, people ain't got no edges. So yeah, y'all, that's why protect my edges. And I'm gonna make this Indian remedy for growing your hair. I'm gonna do that. I don't know, sometime soon though. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it too though, because people always want to keep stuff or gatekeep and all of it on TikTok, and we don't do that over here. We gonna tell the girls we gonna grow our hair, we gonna grow our business, we gonna do all that. So yeah, we not playing. We not playing. So yeah, y'all, that's why I got the false edges. They're a little dramatic, but whatever. I don't care. It's cute. But Yep, protecting my edges. I don't leave none of my edges out. Like, all my edges I put up. I love them. That's what I want to go for. And I also, if I had my edges out, like these edges, it's just too much. I work too much. I'm not going to be able to take care of them how they're supposed to be taken care of. Got to oil your edges, not just let them sit there and curl up, because that's what I do. I will let them curl up until I actually do have something to do and something for me to do my edges, basically. I will not do my edges all week and probably go out on Friday night, Saturday night. And that's the only time my edges get attention. They don't get love and care throughout the week. I'm just going and going and going. Like, no. So, that's why. So, yeah, y'all. That is why. So, this is really healthier. All the pulling your edges out and making them like it's just straightening your edges. And by the time we like 25, 30, we ain't gonna have no edges. And who's about to be out here edgeless? Not me. So yeah, y'all. That's why I did it. And I still gotta upload all these other videos, but my videos are done. I just gotta upload them for y'all. Been gone for too long, and the fact that I actually like my braids, I will be posting with my braids, because I don't be liking braids and posting them and all of that. So yeah, no liar or no none of that, but I'm gonna act my booty cheeks off and get that prank done, okay? So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna come back when I clean up. Got some clothes on. I'll probably just heading out the door on the way to the restaurant. So stay tuned. We ain't even unpacked. I got my backpack. Don't mind my closet. I got my backpack still full of everything from the trip. We're in the front room. We got everything out. Shoes, suitcase. I'm trying to wash everything. We're doing all of that. Gotta get everything clean. Then we can put it back. But we probably got like 2 loads. Well, not even 2. I think all the clothes from the trip should be washed besides one in my backpack. So everything should be washed besides that. Then I got a whole other basket full of dirty clothes. So I'm probably gonna wash those first. Then we got a whole bucket of clean clothes. I don't feel like folding them. I'm just about to chill. I've been working too hard with everything. Every little thing. I'm probably about to edit. Okay, so I edited on my iPad. This video, I have to merge it to this video. Wait, no. This video, I have to merge to this video. This video, I don't know if I'm gonna upload this. I want to show y'all that I did my own toes, but yeah, that was pointless. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, y'all. So stay tuned. Y'all should already see these before anyway, because I'll upload in order. I don't like when people upload, like say today's January 1st. They'll upload January 1st video, but then they'll go back and go upload December 25th something. They'll upload something like that, then go forward again. I don't like being confused. Keep me up to date, honey boo boo. Keep me up to date. I don't want to be 5 months behind and it's 5 months, 6 months forward. No, thank you. No, thanks. Rebrand for my 21st birthday. And I was going to put that in the Q&A, but I still am. I'm doing a rebrand immediately. Effective immediately. She got a frozen margarita. I got a regular margarita.
Ain't even drinking it though. Ooh, you ain't drinking it.
Y'all, I'm attempting to make tuna with no relish. And I got all these flavors. Attempting to make tuna. This is just like a snack. Hopefully this is a lot. Okay, y'all, so here's the fish. You already know. Here is the rice. And the cauliflower. Right there. Also, this is her fish. She made in the air fryer, but the other fish is for... Okay, y'all see what we got. See what we got. So we ready to eat, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video, babies.